In these images, a worker leans a ladder against a weathered wooden pole and climbs to the top. The combined weight of the ladder and the worker causes the weathered wooden pole to topple over. Fortunately, the worker is unharmed. To prevent incidents like this, the structural integrity of any structures that will be climbed must be tested beforehand. We must be very careful when working at heights, and we must pay close attention to where we step. A technician climbs onto a platform using a ladder to install an air conditioner on the wall. That's when the incident occurs. Because the structure isn't sturdy, it collapses the moment the technician steps on it. These videos will show us just how careful we need to be during the loading process. A worker suddenly loses his balance and falls while trying to stack sacks on top of the truck. In these videos, an employee is working with a rotating tool without wearing protective gear and isn't keeping a safe distance from the machine, and ends up learning this the hard way. Fortunately, however, they aren't seriously injured. Additionally, emergency stop buttons must be easily accessible on this type of equipment, and machine guards must never be disabled. Fortunately, the employee manages to avoid a much more serious situation thanks to his clothing tearing. In these images, we see a gas tanker suddenly explode due to a sharp rise in pressure and shoot off like a rocket. The gas released in such an accident can cause damage to both the tanker and the surrounding area. For this reason, pressure control is of vital importance. In these images, we see a worker performing dangerous work on the exterior of a high-rise building. Even the slightest lapse in concentration could lead to an irreversible mistake.